I've been there. Nandoon na ako. I've been waiting. Matagal na akong naghihintay. I've been busy. Naging abala ako. I've been thinking. Matagal ko nang iniisip. I've been trying. Sinusubukan ko naman. I've been working. Nagtatrabaho ako. I've been sick. Nagkasakit ako. I've been better. Mas okay ako noon. I've been lucky. Sinuwerte ako. I've been honest. Naging matapat ako. I've been careful. Naging maingat ako. I've been late before. Nahuli na ako dati. I've been here all day. Buong araw akong nandito. I've been around. Palagi akong nasa paligid. I've been away. Matagal akong nawala. I've been home. Nakauwi na ako. I've been outside. Nasa labas ako kanina. I've been inside. Nasa loob ako. I've been asleep. Natutulog ako kanina. I've been awake since dawn. Gising ako mula madaling araw. I've been hungry. Nagugutom na ako. I've been tired. Pagod na ako. I've been nervous. Kinakabahan ako. I've been worried. Nag-aalala ako. I've been happy. Masaya ako. I've been sad. Malungkot ako. I've been alone. Mag-isa ako. I've been patient. Naging matyaga ako. I've been rude. Naging bastos ako. I've been polite. Naging magalang ako. I've been looking for you. Hinahanap kita. I've been calling you. Tinatawagan kita. I've been studying. Nag-aaral ako. I've been practicing. Nagsasanay ako. I've been cooking. Nagluluto ako. I've been driving. Nagmamaneho ako. I've been waiting for this. Matagal ko nang hinihintay ito. I've been wondering. Nagtataka ako. I've been dreaming about this. Matagal ko nang pinapangarap ito. I've been expecting you. Inaasahan kita. I've been hoping for that. Umaasa ako roon. I've been feeling great. Maganda ang pakiramdam ko. I've been feeling down. Masama ang pakiramdam ko. I've been helping out. Tumutulong ako. I've been taking my time. Hindi ako nagmamadali. I've been avoiding trouble. Iniiwasan ko ang gulo. I've been staying positive. Nananatili akong positibo. I've been saving for this. Pinag-iipunin ko ito. I've been waiting forever. Ang tagal ko nang naghihintay. Have you been there? Nakarating ka na ba roon? Have you been busy? Naging abala ka ba? Have you ever been in love? Nagmahal ka na ba? Have you been looking for me? Hinahanap mo ba ako? Have you ever been late? Nahuli ka na ba? Have you ever been scared? Natakot ka na ba? Have you ever been sick? Nagkasakit ka na ba? Have you been trying? Sinusubukan mo ba? He's been quiet lately. Tahimik siya nitong mga nakaraan. She's been kind to me. Mabait siya sa akin. They have been busy. Abala sila. He's been working all day. Buong araw siyang nagtatrabaho. She's been studying hard. Masipag siyang mag-aral. They've been helping us. Tinutulungan nila kami. He's been calling you. Tinatawagan ka niya. He's been sleeping. Natutulog siya. He's been cooking. Nagluluto siya. They've been traveling. Naglalakbay sila. He's been improving. Gumagaling siya. She's been learning fast. Mabilis siyang matuto. It has been a long day. Mahaba ang naging araw. It has been months. Ilang buwan na ang nakalipas. It's been raining. Umuulan. It's been hot lately. Mainit nitong mga nakaraan. It's been quiet today. Tahimik ngayong araw. Where have you been? Saan ka galing? I've never been there. Hindi pa ako nakapunta roon. I've been through a lot. Marami akong pinagdaanan. I've been in touch. Makikipag-ugnayan ako. I've been honest with you. Naging tapat ako sa'yo. We've been lucky. Sinuwerte kami. Has it been fixed? Naayos na ba ito? That's where I've been. Doon ako nanggaling.